In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset through settings. So to start off, open up the settings app, and the fastest way to do it is just pull down the notification panel and you have this little gear icon right over here. So tap on it and you get taken to the settings. From here, scroll all the way down into System, then let's see, Reset options right here, and at the bottom you will see Erase all data factory reset at the bottom of the list. So tap on it, you get a little warning message, what will remove. So as you can see, it will remove downloaded apps, music, photos, other data, your Google account and system app data and settings. So once you're comfortable with these actions, tap on Reset Phone, erase everything, and the process will now begin. So give it a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. Okay, and as you can see now the process is finished, so you can set up the device as you like, and yeah. So that is how you would do a hard reset through settings. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.